Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to get one of the best free VPNs available. It's called Urban VPN. Super fast, 100% free and easy to install either from the Chrome Web Store or the official Urban VPN website. Let's jump right in. First, open web browser and just search for Urban VPN on Google. Click on the first result that appears. It should take you to the official website. Or just click the link in the description below. If you see a pop-up, simply click on Urban VPN free to continue. Otherwise, scroll to the top of the website. You will notice several versions available. Click on the Chrome icon to get the browser extension. Urban VPN also offers versions for desktop, Edge, Firefox, and more, but for now, we will go with Chrome. It will redirect you to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. That's it. Urban VPN is now installed in your Chrome browser. Now you'll see the pink Urban VPN icon on your toolbar. Click the icon, choose your preferred server location like the US, UK, Japan, or any other. Then hit connect and you are protected. It hides your IP, encrypts your traffic, and unlocks region-restricted content all for free. And that's how you install Urban VPN on Chrome from the official site or web store. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. More tech tips coming soon. See you in the next video.